Guys, quick video lang. Meron tayong bagong campaign from Bybit. It's a C exclusive, no? Southeast Asia exclusive lang tong campaign na to. To celebrate KUB listing sa Bybit. Ano ba yung KUB? KUB is the official token or parang governance token ng BitKUB Exchange. Ano ba yung BitKUB Exchange? It's one of the most popular or local exchange. One of the most popular local exchange or maybe number one local exchange dito sa Thailand, no? Ang BitKUB Exchange. So meron na rin silang sariling token kung saan pwede mo i-stake to, pwede mo i-hold to para makasali ka sa mga launch pads, launch pools, and other mga incentives pa nila. Kung Binance merong kung ang Binance merong BNB, ang BitKUB merong KUB. So, dito sa campaign na to, meron silang tatlong klaseng event. So, event 1 is syempre kailangan mag-sign up sa Bybit, KYC, if wala ka pang account. Ang link ay nasa description, that's a referral link. Kailangan mo mag-deposit ng at least $100 and mag-trade volume ka ng at least 100 worth of KUB. Right? This is only first 800 new users. So, first 800 lang. So, pag lumampas, wala ka na. Hindi ka na makakuha ng 10 KUB na token. And you need to maintain at least $100 at the, asset balance at the end of the event. So, di mo pwedeng i-withdraw agad yung pera mo, no? Event 2, this is much more, if trader ka, then bagay itong event 2 is paramihan ng spot volume. Right? Paramihan ng spot volume. Kung number 1 ka, meron ka 1,000 KUB. Kung nasa at least top 11 ka, 11 to 50, meron kang 50 KUB. So pagaling yan, pataasan ng spot trading volume yan. Event 3 naman is, for every $500 na na-accumulate mong trading volume, meron kang makukuha 1 lucky draw ticket. Right? So if nagnalo ka, meron kang 500 KUB, or dalawa, or 5 KUB sa 194 na winners. So, sabay-sabay yan lahat, no? Event 1, 2, 3. And of course, ililive ko na din tong link ng campaign sa description kasi kailangan mo muna mag-register. Right? Hindi ka makasali sa campaign kung hindi ka nag-register. So, you have to click this button, no? First before ka mag-trade ng KUB. So, that's it. Again, ang KUB is the official token ng BitKUB, the number one local exchange dito sa Thailand. Right? Hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.